Hello, Jane Cleland here. Great question. How do you write your books? What I like about the question is it makes, I think, a very important point to differentiate between process and content. I have a lot of process ideas that I use that work for me, and I'm glad to share them. It's important to note that each author has to find his or her own writing process. And one of the ways you do that is by asking other authors, what do you do? So I'm glad to share. The first thing I can tell you is I use Microsoft Word. I always have. I know how to use it. Every time I update it, which you have to do periodically, I have to create a new template. They call it a style sheet, but it's pre-populated with my choices, specifically Times Roman 12 points, double spaced, get rid of that extra space between the paragraphs. I also do things like I like advanced find. If you hit Control F, type in a word, it tells you every time that word is used. I find it distracting to have the navigation pane showing you all of those. So I do the manipulation to get to Control, find the advanced version, which only comes to the next use of that word or phrase. And these are easy to do. Google how to set up a style sheet in Word. Google how to create advanced find as your default. And the steps are straight ahead, and I have to look it up every time because I'm not a technical expert. I'm a writing expert. I'm going to continue by sharing other ideas about process, and I'd love it if you have any tips. Please leave them in the comments section. That would be great. And if this little tip had value for you, I do hope that you'll like it, share it, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We publish one of these every Wednesday. By doing that, that opens up new opportunities for us to better serve you. Thank you very much.